species never been where it's safe to start again. Run, 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 it's not so far. Run, run, run from where we are. It's a promise, cross the moors, hunting what you know is yours. Run, 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 it's yours to make. Run, 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 it's yours to break. Strength is the nothing you left there. Carry the sun on your back, start again. Little pup, your head is in the sand. Your pants are strong as stand.
Woo! Hi, I'm back. Welcome, day 2. Whoopty whoopty doo.
A queen of hills renowned. Nothing here can keep your heart in the time.
There we go. Now you can hear me better, right? Huh. If I can probably do Arknights if I were to just swoop. There we go. Can you guys hear it now? I sure hope so. But okay. So general gist. I've been doing the code, and it's working. It's been working. The basic puzzles for the placeholders have been working, and it's pretty good. If we were to go inside and try it out, you should be able to see it. So, what we have here, the 3 chests were originally the level to, what we were gonna do, to go to the next level, and I thought, it's a little too much work to try and figure out save states, especially since I've never used Godot before, so I figured, why don't we just transition to cameras? So, we can see here, which is the wall, where the position of Fireball is a vertical wall, and you can't actually pass it, right? But what you can do is, if you do the right combination, so say you wanted 1, 2, 3, and it doesn't work, right? But if you do 3, 1, 2, the wall's gone, so you can walk through it, and then see? Smooth camera motion. You move to the next scene. It's really nice. I figured out how to do it, and it works. There's only one small bug with it, but that bug is, happens to be, if you're on the very left side, go in, and then, as it, you know, it sees how it exits, right? If you right to go in, the left to go out. But if you wanted to spam it a little bit, it has a bit of a problem. But on the bright side, here's this one. This one has a little bit of a collider issue, so the first 2 are triggered, but then, yeah. But essentially, these are pressure plates, so if you pass by them, yeah, every single time you pass by them, yeah, they work. See? Now, the collider needs to be adjusted, but that's fine. Every single time we do one of these, we can just adjust the collider, and that's a-okay. Per every object, because we saved these as a scene, so yeah. Basically, the lovely coin animation that was just there was really nice because it tells me, hey, this should not be, this should be turned on, this should not be turned on. So yeah, for the most part, it's pretty nice. It's really nice. So yeah, everything's fine, everything works, everything is good. Either way, chat, I hope you've been having a nice day so far, because coding has been working out so nicely. So, objectives today. First, we want to get a dialogue system in. We want an interactable that provides us a dialogue system. If we can get a dialogue system in, that is one big massive part done. Then after that, we need to work on the old art stuff. And then yeah, that's actually it. If we get all of that done, we're winning. We got this all in the bag. It's very nice. Very, very, very nice, you know? So for the first time being, it is to figure out a way to do a dialogue system the way I want to do. So for dialogue system, we want... let's see, what is the best way to position or talk about this? Yeah, dialogue system will probably come when you're interacting. So it's gonna be like a pop-up bubble. And I don't know how to do that. I looked into some of these. I had a tutorial that I put on here. Yeah, there is a little tutorial here that just gives me a dialogue system. And it seems to be what I want, kind of. The box I may be able to change, theoretically, maybe, possibly. So if I do it right, this will work. Oh, I remember. I remember. If we were to go into the item we have, which the item is currently a chest, right? It's a little off positioned. That's fine. It is what it is. That's my bad. Whatever. I probably want to have another object here that's a different one, and we'll call this a interactable 2, I suppose. They're pretty much the same thing when it comes to the interactions. It's just how the dialogue system will work will probably change upon interaction. So we already have a way to do that. The idea is, if you were to go up and interact with it, you'll get the prompt, the dialogue box, and stuff like that. You'll get it shown. And once you get it shown, using the raycast, because the logic is the same as bumping into this, except if we do the interactions right, we won't even need a collider for this. So we can just probably, if it's lying against a wall, we can just theoretically walk through it. That's fine, it is what it is, but it works. But hi Mode, hi, welcome. I hope you had a fantastic day. Mind you, I'm not. I'm gonna be a little more reserved today because I have a little bit of a headache. I was spending a little too much time at night working on this, and I kind of regret it, but that's okay. Do you want to see what we have so far? What is going on? What's all the cool things that are happening? Where's my mouse? Oh, there it is. Yes. You just successfully talked to your partner with a cool pickup line. You love this so much. Hey, pickup lines work. That's good. You have that. I'm about to kill your ears. You have that skibbity riz with that Ohio Giat and that phantom text question mark because you're mogging the other person, or was it mewing, or Don't question it. Hey, I'm glad you're having a great day. But yeah, Right, okay, so we want an interactable that gives a prompt, so we probably want a separate item to do that. So I'll probably duplicate this item and then call this clue. And the clue will be of a different sprite shape, that's fine. So what we can do is reset it, go into whatever things I have over here. This works. There we go. This will be the interactable. In a sense that if you hover over it, you can walk through it, but if you hover over it with the raycast, then yes, it should work. But yeah, I'm figuring it out, chat. I'm really proud of me. I've managed to figure out how this works, or at least some of it, you know? Is stream working? Oh, is stream lagging a bit? Oh boy, that's fine. It's okay. It should be fine. Trust. Duplicate, and we'll call this clue.gd script. This allows us to go into here with the item in question highlighted and drag not interactable. We want clue. It's true. Area 2D. We want this to be an area 2D because we don't want it to be collide. Yeah, area 2D on interactable. Yeah. So I'll rename this to clue, because yes. So in theory, on interaction, because it will when you're colliding, it'll send something to the collider. It'll call the thing having the collider, and this is just says that object receives, and then it will, in theory, this is the prompt that'll allow us to check the dialogue. So we're gonna make a comment here and say, hey, dialogue prompt here, Dumbo. So now it's time to follow the tutorial. This is a cute song. Face down through the sky, down.
Voices from the sky, is it in my head, telling me to fly higher up instead? Off the ground. I know there's trouble. I think that I can find my way beneath the rubble. Is there a flower in the gray? Sometimes I like to imagine. Sometimes I like to imagine
Oh. Hey, hey, Farina. Hi. This is a really... Oh, this is interesting. Oh. Can't turn your sound up because it's the middle of the night? Yeah. That's all good. Slow working stream today, nice and chill, with a bit of background music. That's slower than normal because I kinda need to hear what I am, listening to, you know? This should be fine. You guys should be able to hear it better now. Ah. This is interesting. Oh, they want a global script to access the dialogue. Right. I'm currently watching a tutorial about how to do a dialogue system, and I think this works for what I want. I'm gonna look into alternatives as well, but yeah. For the time being, however, we have... These are placeholder assets that I borrowed off the internet, but essentially, things work. It's a puzzle game now. So if you interact with this, and this, and this, you can see the fireball as an indicator of where the wall is. And ta-da, you can walk through it, and there's a very nice camera transition. Whee! Ah. And then if you walk through that, and then walk through that, it'll say omitted 2 down here, which basically means we passed puzzle 2, which is great. So pressure plates work, they're scuffed, but they work, and then we have the camera to switch levels work. Hello, hi Zora! Hope you had a nice sleep, I hope you had a nice day. Nice rest. Rest well, guys. And yes, the chest works, the chests work, the camera transition works to go from puzzle to puzzle. Obviously, this will be zoomed in the actual game because this, on any small screen, you can't really see the character very well. So this will be zoomed in. I'll probably zoom it into like ×5 or something. I don't know yet. But, as you can see, it works. It's so nice, so nice, so nice. I'm so happy with myself that it works. With the movement system as well. This is the most completed game I've ever made. It's beautiful. You haven't had dinner yet? Ooh, what you having? What you having? What you getting? You don't know? When's the dialogue? So, I'm following this tutorial, right? And I want to see if it's possible to customize the dialogue box, or if not, because I need to search up how dialogue boxes work. I have way too many tutorials open because I was looking into how to do things, and I don't remember which tutorials go into where now. Ah yes, these were the camera ones. This is the arrow ones, this is how to do this one. See, coding, people think coding is actually doing stuff. No, it's just Googling. Guys, it's just Googling. No one remembers everything. It literally is just Googling. What does this say? Who does this do? What, woo-wah? Can you load, please? Burp. Excuse me. Hmm. They're adding a script to go ahead and go into the dialogue interface area, which is attached to the player. Oh, that's interesting. I would assume it would be attached to the... Oh, nope, never mind. They're just making... No one heard the rules are just down right now. Thank you for respecting the rules. But I hope your day will get better. I hope your week will get better. They're tough weeks, tough days. I completely understand. I had a headache earlier, but I went out for a run, and now that I'm streaming, it's kind of gone away now. So, that's nice. On dialogue area entered, on dialogue area exited. It's not even on the dialogue area, I just need to prompt it from the thing. Interesting. Interesting. How interesting. This is interesting. Very interesting. There are multiple methods of doing this, right? Because it's programming, of course, and you're making a game, so of course there's multiple methods to do this, but... If this can load? Okay, good, thanks. Interesting. Dialogic. Oh. Oh, this is actually really good. This is amazing. What the hell? Oh, I will use this one. This one's great. This one's great. This one will work. I know what I'm doing. Or I think I know what I'm doing. You have to go to asset lib, which is the asset library, and we have to go to... hold on, let me make sure I don't, dox myself real quick. Okay, no, never mind. I'm overthinking this. Don't worry, guys. Bah. Oh, it's not on here. What am I doing? It's not on here. That's why. Alright, hold on, give me a second. Alright, wait, got it, hold on. Code, download, zip. This is Dialogic, this will go into... I'll just put this into game dev, actually. Right. Game dev, go into here, extract all. Give it a second, guys. Give it a little bit. Now what does it say to do? Oh, okay. I copy this. Put it into the game that I have currently, in which folder? It is just directly in there. Okay, paste. It's in here now. There we go, it's in. Now I gotta go to AssetLib, plugins, enable Dialogic. There we go. So I think it's enabled now. Perfect. Yes, let's go. Right. State machine. Huh. Ooh. Timeline, character, glossary, style, variables. Read the docs. Give it a second. In text events, you can insert the value of dialogic variables by typing variable_name. If your dialogic variable is inside a folder or multiple folders, you have to specify the whole name, so dot, dot, and dot. It also allows you to get methods on the autoload, so whichever is turned. Autoloads don't have to be wrapped in these brackets, they have to do this. Using variables and booleans. Alright, okay. At the very least, there's documentation, so that's really nice. Alright, I think I have it good. Alright, let's see, let's try this out. Um. Hmm. Um. Clue 1. Oh wait, no. Oh, this is display name. Oh. The first clue for the first puzzle. A portrait? We don't need a portrait.
A paper while building a dam. They are flooding circuits to find who I am. Make a list, write it down in time.
Okay.
Sometimes we need it all, sometimes we'll sign to a world where the center is never aligned. Make a move, take it back, it's mine. Gather raindrops and fill in the ocean. Now take every part of me, take it all and put it together.
Oh, that's really nice. I like this one a lot. Oh, it's so smooth. I love it.
Find the break, water warm, keep it calm, be afraid to rattle the cage. Take a risk, take a dive, take it down, suddenly surrender, take back everything. From the open shore I will learn to fly, soaring past the great divide. Voices that surface seem to call out all the lies. Is it still a sin if I let them in as they sail to calmer tide? I'll awaken what's asleep inside.
Huh.
It's gone by the daylight on. Take a page from a lost sailor's song. Gather pebbles. I'm feeling the ocean. Oh, just a memory. Lost in ecstasy. Sights and sounds are forgotten and clear. Ships past golden rings. Fantasy breaking me. From the open shore I will learn to fly, soaring past the great divide.
Oh.
Voices that surface seem to call out all
Okay. Hmm.
Sure, I have learned to fly, soaring past the great divide. Voices that surface seem to call out all the lies. There's a hidden door on the ocean floor. Do these dreams belong to me? If it calls my name, am I awake?
Ah, I see. I see. You guys are gonna get that a lot. You guys are gonna get hmms, ahs, and ahas. But hey, where's the fun in that? Things are working. We have dialogue already. Which is really nice, actually. I'm pleasantly surprised. I was worried I wouldn't be able to do this really easily, and then I'd have to spend like a whole nother time, but this seems really simple. Props to me. Absolutely lovely. Okay. Let's go back to script now. Right here on interact, object receives, and we will. Run underscore dialogue? Okay. First clue. Huh. Dialogue string. Okay, wait, we could say this is global variables. Okay, so var is dialogue equal to false. That way, if it does become true, then everything just stops moving. Because if the dialogue pops up, everything pauses, so that works. Or at least most things pause. We can have backgrounds have animation if we want them to, but yeah, okay. If we have the dialogue set to false, then we can go back to the player, and if it's false, right. If we want to disable movement, how will we go about doing that? Right, okay. We should disable this if... if global dot is dialogue, wait. Equal to false? Equal to true, sorry. Then it'll return. Yeah, if global dot is dialogue is equal to true, then it will return, because that way, yeah, if we're in a dialogue system, we can't move. Global dot is wait, what happened to music? Oh. Whoops. I already heard this one. Maybe not. Dial. Hmm. Yeah. Huh. Hmm. Okay, wait, I'll write this in for now. I don't need it, but I will write it in case I need to. Um... Um... Dialogue signal. And then over here, hmm. Um... Let's see it. Let's try it then. We go to 2D. We are currently in... Which script are we currently in? We are in Clue. So we want to go to Clue, which is... somewhere. Here it is. We go to test level. We want a clue. We'll put the clue. We'll put the clue here to test it and see if it works, if it gives us the prompt. Yeah, we can walk through it, that's fine. And it's not giving us the clue. Oh no. What? Why? Why? They cast collide with area body 2D. Good though. Wait, raycast? Huh. Hmm. Collide with areas equals false. I forgot how to do this. Equal to true. There we go. Now let's try it. Now in theory, none of this should break, but let's try it out. Okay, yeah. There's still a collision here. And it's colliding. Oh, wait, new plan. Don't do that. Because it breaks the area 2D stuff. We have the clue. And then the clue will have the collision shape and it will be fine. But we do instead of the script of on interact, because we should not do that. On body entered, connect, on body exited. We don't need on body exited for now, but for on body entered. Oh, what's up? Hi, Blood! Hello, welcome! Welcome. We are currently trying to make a game for a little game jam that I'm currently participating in. I'm currently trying to figure out that I realized that raycasts cannot detect areas, 2D bodies, unless you enable it, but if you enable it, it enables the collision on the wall I made, which means it doesn't work. So I'm redoing it in a different method. But yeah, I don't know if you like coding or not, but hi, I'm mainly an artist, but I'm a comp sci student, so I do coding, and I figure I'd get a little bit into game dev content for a little while, so what better way to just stream myself struggling and thinking noises and nice Arknight's music in the background. On the right side, once I finish this up, I'll do a little test demo of what I've made so far, because this is all using what assets I found on itch, because I don't have the time to get the specifics yet. Well, no, I don't have time to make them yet. I want to have all the basics done, and then once the basics are done, then I will just remake the full game, just with all the code I have now. I have tomorrow to work on it and do bug fixes, and then the entirety of, yeah. So it's pretty short notice, but yeah. Now have fun and enjoy the ride, you know? On body entered, we need to go to the player. What was the player's input again? If input.actionReleased is equal to UI accept. We'll go into here, we'll go into, what was it again? Clue, sorry, pardon me. If body is player, then this will happen. So if action just released and UI accept, because we don't need the raycast, so it's just the input, it'll print the interacted, and then it'll call on interact here. There we go. And in theory, no, it's not working. Why? Why aren't you working? What? It should be on body entered because that's what I used for the treasure plates. But yeah, just a little test run. It's a little puzzle game. So, you know, if you have the chests in the wrong order, you can't really see much because I didn't implement that. But if you do 3, 1, and 2, this part's gone, so you can walk through it. And then see, a nice little camera change. I should probably slow that down a little bit, but that's for a little future stuff. But this one's a little scuffed, but that's not how Pleasure's Wait's supposed to work, but it works. You know? And it admitted number 2, which means the second puzzle is solved. The idea was to have a bunch of puzzles here. The puzzle will be worked with it, but for now I just need to get the dialogue system done. Because the dialogue system is what I'm currently struggling with. How much time do I have left? I have until Wednesday, but Wednesday is cutting it close because I won't be able to work on it unless I ask them, and I can ask them if I can have a bit of extra time because I have school. So basically Tuesday. I have to finish it all by Tuesday, and I should be able to get pretty much all of the art done on Tuesday, which will allow me to implement this all in. The unfortunate thing is I'm basically working solo. Now luckily, someone else in the chat offered to help make the music, and they already did add a nice 2 tracks for me. That's very quick. I don't really mind using them at all. They're really nice for what I have, so I'll just use them. So this is, something's not right here. What's the difference between this and the plate? As you got this, I believe. Thank you, Blub. Thank you. If body is player. If it should work like this. If body is player. If body is player. If body is player. If body is player. I have that. What are you doing? Okay, maybe it's this. Maybe it's whatever the auto-generated stuff is, you know? Alright, let's try this one more time. Nope. Okay, maybe screw the on interact and I'll just print object receives onto here, like in this section. No, wait, no, it should have said interacted if I already did that. Body shape entered? No, that's physics bodies or tile maps. No, that's not it. Body entered. It has to be body entered. With its physics body, because it has to have collision shapes. Yeah, something's not right here. So this is technically not the first game jam I've participated in, but it's the first one I've actually deliberately coded, or helped code. The previous one I helped do level design, and the one before that I was doing the art. So now that I know how Godot works, it's kind of a lot easier, or at least somewhat know how Godot works. I wouldn't necessarily call myself a Godot master at all. I'm struggling. It's cool. But yeah, I would consider this relaxing, but it kind of is. Except when when things aren't working, that's when things are not happy and not fun anymore. Let's look at this tutorial again. How did they do the interactions? How? They have a collision shape. I remember that. They have a collision shape with an actual physics body collider. I'm using Area 2D, so it's different. On chat detection body entered. Oh wait, was it physics? Do I need to put this in, No. No, that's not it. No. I'm going insane. If body player, Oh. Var is what do we want to say this? Is it range? No. Is range equal? Yeah, you know what? Sure. Is range equal false? On body entered, we will say range is equal to true. If body is player, we will set is active or not is active. We'll puzzle check. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong one. Ah, damn. This one. There we go. If this one is the reason why this doesn't work. So I want to set var is in range. I'm gonna set that to false. On pawn entered, it will set the is range equal true. Oh, whoops, in range equal to true, and then in doing so, in range equal false. There we go. True and false once we do that. Now upon this one has to check if input is interacted, then we'll print the on interact button. You need to put this into the process section. So func underscore process. It doesn't matter, this doesn't matter. Just do this, pop this in, oops. Is action just released accepted and where's the and? There we go. And in range. If it is also in range, it will print the interacted and it will call the on interact. The on interact will then say object receives it and then run the dialog first clue. Let's try it. Hey. Oh, whoops, I forgot to set this afterwards. How do I after dialog.start, how do I switch it back so we can move again? Run dialog start. Global.is dialog equal false? Nope. Nope, no. How do they do it then? Oops, I forgot to put that in there. That's one thing. Chuck giving that. That allows for this one. I'm not sure. Back out to make dinner? Of course! What you having? What you making? What you eating? Dinner's always fun. Nice food. Great food. So dialogue system works. Except you can't move after you finish the dialogue. So I need to figure out where I need to do it. Because global dot is dialogue is true is the thing that sets it up. But we have to make it so that after it starts and then after the thing finishes, then we can move again. But yeah. It's getting close though. We're getting close. You're having fried nacho cheese things today. I never had them before, so you hope they're acceptable. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Nachos and cheese and fried stuff. Ooh. That does sound really good. Function run dialogue. That's what sets it up to be true. But yeah. This is the first time you hear these things, so yeah. I mean, first time for everything, right? Gotta be good. If they don't taste good, you'll just make something else so you're not worried. Yeah. I hope they taste good though. I don't want nice food to go to waste. Someone pointed it out earlier, but the fact that I tend not to move into this kind of range of motion. So because I'm coding and because I actually have to keep looking at another monitor, the physics motion keeps snapping. It's kind of funny, really. It wasn't my intent. I can actually fix that. Actually, I can fix that, but just something funny. If it bothers you, I can change it now. But yeah. Let's try it then. Global dot is dialog equal to false. Try it. Nope. Yeah, that's weird. I don't think it's giving me that. Am I missing something? I might be missing something. Dialogic.start and go up to here for signal underscore event.connect dialog underscore signal. Love the color of my avatar. Thank you, thank you. I had to change an art style quite a bit, so something like this is a little, yeah, it's a little much more cool. Of course, if it gets in the way, I can always just toggle off the blue stuff so you guys can see better, but it's kind of fun, you know? Also, the tracking's nice. I think the tracking is probably the best tracking I've ever done. So, yeah, it's quite expressive, really. It's very nice pricks. Spooky music. But yeah, no. It took a while to make this the model that I'm currently using. It's such a fun. Making VTubers is such a fun thing. It really is nice way to test stuff. Maybe I'm missing something. I'm gonna go back further. Let's try it. Let's see. Oh, okay. That makes sense. I did miss something. Signal. Exit. Oh, well, that makes a lot more sense. I think I fixed it now. Now it's emitting a signal. I missed it when I was doing this earlier. Oops, my bad. So now it should work. Because then upon receiving it, it should said received exit. And then now, it should then allow me to say global.isDialog equal false, which means I can move again. In theory, that's how it works. So we can try it. Yes, you can interact with them more. Hell yeah. Oop, there's a bug though. That's an interesting bug. I don't get that. Oh, I see why. It's because we're duplicating it, of course. And in range and we're duplicating it, that's why. And it is not the case that and is in dialogue is equal to false. There we go. Because it has to be in range and not have the dialogue and that. Which means now it should not duplicate anymore. Oops. Keeps in dialogue, sorry. Oh. Global dot is dialogue. Let's try it again. Oh. In range is equal to true. How do I want to do this then? In range, other C's run dialogue first, and then has a run dialogue for that. You don't want duplication of the dialogue because that happens. So how do we make that work? Is this interesting to you, chat, by the way? I've never really done like coding streams before, so I wouldn't know how interesting these would be. Especially since most of the time, I'm just muttering to myself and making weird noises. They have the signal. Let's see if our player in area. Oops. Dialogue stream, run this, run that. They receive a signal that
sights and sounds are forgotten and clear. Ships bells golden rings.
Received exit.
From the open shore I will learn to fly, soaring past the great divide. Voices at surface seem to call out all lies. Is it still a sin if I let that men as they sail to call their tide?
Oh, I did miss the thingies that they want us to do.
From the open shore I have learned to fly, soaring past the great divide.
Oh, wait underscore time
Seem to call out all the lies.
equal to 1000.
There's a door on the ocean floor. Do these
Roll on dialogue, I'm losing.
to me? If it calls my Am I awakening?
Hmm. Interesting. Oop. They're doing random chats now, which is not necessarily what we need, but very interesting. Very interesting. You know? Because the dialogue system is, in theory, it's working. This is a bug that okay. Okay, I'll leave that there for now. You know what? That's fine. This is a bug that we don't need to solve, you know? Screw the timer, we don't need this. So now, when it accepts, then we have to use the mouse click. But then, after the mouse click, what happens is... there needs to be a small delay before we can set it to can move again. But either way, the dialogue system is working. The little clue system we have is working, which is great. That's exactly what we want. This is a bug that we have no need to work. Now what? Oh yes, of course. Let's style it a little bit. Let's make this into custom styles, yeah. This is in the dialogue. This is going to be in dialogue. We're gonna call this pixel style question mark maybe. How do we want this to work? Background color can be that the font size 18. We want the fonts to be of... Hold on. I remember downloading fonts real quick. Give me a second. Pixelify, sans, copy. Right, okay, go to this, into development, into the text-based game jam, into dialogue, and then now we have... There we go. Now, should work now. So there's several pre-made styles actually. There's the visual novel style. Game Jam fans when Game Peanut Butter fans walk in. Hi Yuki. Hi. There's a speaker, there's text bubble, and then there's visual novel style. Let's try pixel novel style. There we go. Background, that's not necessarily needed. We have portraits, they're in positions 1 through 5, that's cool. There's an input. We're disabling the full the background. The portraits are fine. This input is... input catcher. That's mouse. I want to see what this one does. Mouse input. Pop up? No. Let's say no to this one, and then you know what? It's fine. Where's global font? That's my question. Where's the global font? That's fine. Global color, global size. Visual novel box, global custom, size, position, margin. Name, global color, character color, custom color. I'm gonna assume by switching this to the global font it works? I have no idea. Interesting. Does this make it bigger? No. Is that big enough of a font for you guys? No, it needs to be bigger. Let's try 36. Is that better? Wait, no, I actually need to see if this is actually changing anything. Let's try 100. I don't think so. Yeah. What is it? How do you set the global font size? Global font size dialogic. Godot. I don't know. What's this? What's this? What's the settings? Oh. What are you? Project settings input map. Oh, okay. What the hell? Where the hell do I? Font? I have no idea, guys. Things are happening and I don't know. I don't know. Huh. There's gotta be something here that I just missed. Because I'm using the pixel font because the pixel font is cool. But what the hell? I'm kind of lost, chat. Ever so slightly kind of lost, maybe very much so lost. Where's global size in? Yeah, where is it? Let me actually Google it. Where the hell is it? Let's just try to find the forums. You know what? Yeah, let's go. Well, that sucks. That part is deleted. Oh, interesting. Reference vendor? This? That? No. How interesting. Oh, how fascinating. No, that just does the same thing. Interesting. How? I have no idea. The visual novel style works for what we want, but... Oh, here. I'm just an idiot. There we go. Oh my gosh, I'm just blind. I was looking everywhere for it. Use global font, use global stuff, use global stuff. Use global font size. Um. Oh, they do have pitch invariance, but how interesting. Oh, did I already say that? Oh my gosh. Well, either way, I'm having fun. I'm having way too much fun in something I should not be having this much fun in. Let's go. There we go. And finally. Okay, firstly, the plate, this stuff, all this needs to be shrunken down. That should prevent us from this should influence everything, and in theory, now it should work. Yep. And I did so good. Oh my gosh, I am the best. I fixed it. I finished. Oh my god. Cool. Now it's working like magic. Now, what is the last thing that we need to do? Because everything else is basically it. Everything else is nice and handy and done for, but how would I change which collider do I to use for this? At export, var collider. Collision shape 2D. There we go. In theory, for the clue. Whoops. Yeah, there we go. Here's a question. What if I were to, like, would changing the collision of this one affect all of the ones that are there? Probably, right? So... I don't remember how the grouping worked, but... And I'll attach it into the scripts of all of the ones that I need this for. So, interactable... This one. And the plate. Player doesn't need it, and the wall technically doesn't need it either. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm having fun enough with popping. I think I'll... Yeah, I'll... Should I start art? Should I start doing some of the art stuff for this now? I feel like I should. That way... No. Sound effects and music first. That's what I need. Change collider shape, Godot. Huh. No, that's not it. Oh. Right. Go into item, collision shape, and it is... Resources? What is that? Nope. Um... No, that's not supposed to happen. Did I screw things over by doing that? No way, right? Huh. That works fine. No shot. What? No. Something happened. Something that should not have happened. Um... Uh-oh. Things were going too well, huh? And then I had to screw it up. Hmm. Why aren't you working anymore? Why aren't you working anymore? Why? Um... Okay, thank God. It was literally just the dialogue system that undid itself because of the deletions. My bad. I think everything's fine now. Oh, I see why. There is an error. Whoops, my bad. There was an error in the plate section. Export var state. The state will be the bool, and then Oh, there is a problem with this puzzle now that I'm seeing it more. If I were to... You can't possibly... that's bad. If it adds itself onto the thing that's in the level controller. So level controller dot add, and then we'll add it directly into there. And then modify it directly. Oh. Ah. Let's see. Right. Okay. What's a better way to do this then? If we were to get a bool and then... Um... I don't know, guys. I don't know, chat. Things are happening and things are not happening. My brain is toasting. Yeah. Um... Hmm... Ah... Hmm... Hmm... let's see then. If I were to have a level controller and then have... Oh, when did we get into J-pop? I never realized. Whoops, that's not supposed to happen at all. Okay, if it gets copyright bonked, that's fine. Whatever. My bad. I totally forgot that autoplay does that. Can't really stop it though. Hmm. Um. Hmm. Let's see here. Let's see here. Let's see. Hmm. Oh, I know what to do. And when we have this, we have our clue that comes out over here. And the dialogue would be first clue. That way it would change based on which one it is. Of course, of course. Mm-hmm. It's close enough to what we need, so that's what we're doing. I'll figure out how to do this later. Yeah, I'll figure out how to do this later. For now, it would be... What do we want now? Ah, yes, the sounds. Let's test out the sounds. Let's try and see how to get audio in. We want movement sounds. We want interaction sounds. Yeah. Oh, and there's also this, the plates. How do we want the plates to work? Oh, wait, yeah.
Boardwalk breezy, half a day's summer. Ice cream, pizza, lemonade, summer. Oh.
We have the plate ready, and then all we need to do is just set it so that in the level controller,
Drifting, scattered thoughts in clouds, summer. Saying what you feel out loud that summer. Oh, June gloom, fall of winter blues. Now oceanside and sandy shoes. We don't have a thing to do. Ditch your clothes, jump in, take your cares and turn them loose. Waves crash, turning misty. Salt brushes my
a set of plates for a section for a number 2, and then if we want this to happen like that, then all we need to do is
skyline hot and hazy, full of hot air balloons. Coastline in the summer, it feels like you. Feels like you. Said it feels like you. Feels like you.
Oh yes. Puzzle, setup, value, string. If it will initialize with the integer, that the integer it will be the level number. So it will initialize so that it'll go to this puzzle setup, and then it will pass the integer, it will pass the value, and then it'll pass the bool.
Skyline hot and hazy, full of hot air balloons. Coastline in the summer, it feels like you. Feels like you. It feels like you. Said goodbye to the bruises on my surface, but my mind would insist I'm not done hurting. Deep inside, had a fire behind the curtains are words. No one knows I'm still fighting. When the nightmares come flooding back, you'd be right there to hold my hand and just make it all okay. I wish that everyone I love could feel the way that you
if the number is equal to 1, and then if the number else is equal to 2, then I don't know. And then it will go to the controller and then call the puzzle setup, and then with the thingy then. We'll try it for now. Then we'll have that should work, and then it will allow me to go to plate and then call the on ready. It'll go to controller. Puzzle setup. Go into the level, it'll go into solution, and then it will call add is active. So now, in theory, if this works, I can go here and then toggle is active off, and then I only need to flick the first two and it should work. You know what, never mind, we'll just call puzzle check 2. And then put in the value and then the value and state. Oh no, not this one again. This is a stupid bug. This would be an indication of, I don't know how to indicate this better. Hmm. Should be in the plate, and then upon the plate, it... Oh. That might explain why. There we go. I just set it up wrong. It is working. It is working. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Let's actually see if we can make this better by having this. And in theory, it should still work. Yeah. Let's go. It's working now. And then what we want to do is check for solutions, right? So if there is a solutions, you can no longer interact with them anymore. That's a fun little thing to code. So we could just do a global variable and then have it so that it checks in a global variable and see if it's passed. If it's passed, you don't interact with it anymore. You know what? That's for future me. We did this. Now it's time for music. I mean, yeah, music and sounds. Let's go. Let's try music. Let's put in sounds now. Okay, I might end stream now so I can lock in and work on this more. So for all you people who came by, thank you for coming. And I'll see you again, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I think I'm just gonna be logging in purely for everything, so yeah. Well, maybe a short stream, like a very short stream, but just to test it out a little bit. But aside from that, yeah, thank you for coming, and I'll see you again. Bye bye. Well, actually, no, I could stream longer. No harm in me streaming longer, actually. Never mind, I changed my mind. We're going to try out and see if we can get music in. Music and sound effects. So what we need is not audio packs, but... yeah. Game is working, the game is gaming. We are gaming. Too much.
Little pup, your head is in the sand. Your pads are strong. Clawing through your chains are broken. Free is where your confidence is crowned. A queen of hills renowned.
No, not this one. Either way, yeah. We're going to test out music for the time being. We're going to try and see if we can test out music. And then after that, it's going to be... yeah. Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah, no. Right now I need to find a few small sound effects for the moment, but... oh, this is Brackies. Oh, I've seen this one before. Yeah, I was watching the tutorial for this one. They have nice sound effects, so I think I'll use them. Yeah. Give me a second. Sorry, let me borrow this Brackies. Thank you very much. Thank you. And here we go. Time to extract all and extract. Thank you. Ooh, this is a nice pixel art font, actually. Okay, wait a second. I might actually need some of these. Okay, copy. Go back into here. Development into here. Assets. I'll paste it in. Then it'll update. Thank you. Hold on, let me go back to Dialogic. Let me go back to the styles real quick. We're going to go into this, and set it to... yeah, there's 2 pixel fonts, which is very nice, actually. I think this one works for now. We can change... actually, never mind. Yeah, we can... that one works for now. We can change it later. For now, we can... sound. Yes. That's an explosion. That's a little coin. That's cute. Is there more sound effects somewhere? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and see to implement background music first. That's the first goal. Let's try. Okay, let's see. Let's try this out. Hmm. Ah. There we go. Nice. Hmm. Um. Okay, yeah, wait, actually that's really simple. Go into here, on interact, we can go into... Try it, let's try it. Yeah, sound effects are working. Okay, that's really easy actually. Nice. Alright, let's see, let's see. Right, okay, we're going to go into now get desktop, game dev, and then we're going to go into assets. I'll make a new folder, call this music and sound. Paste this in here, rename it to BGM1. So now in theory, yeah, okay, music.play. We'll go into level controller on ready and it'll play the music. Okay, music though, it needs to have an actual music, so we're gonna put this in here, and we're gonna swoop that, and we're gonna say autoplay. And then... Whoops. Dot play. Yeah. Oh wait, that actually works. Hold on. Let's rename this to Stop SFX. I'm gonna call and the Stop SFX will play when the player hits a wall. If collider.interact, I've made really good progress actually. I think I have at least. It could of course be way faster, but I'm not a fast person. I like taking my time for these. So I think it's nice. I think it's nice that I'm taking the time to do this. If input direction, if let's try it. Ha! Ooh, that's not supposed to happen. It's only supposed to play once. Instead, you could just hold it and it'll work like that. Okay. I don't want to. How would I stop this? If. Okay. Has bumped is equal to false.
Holding a paper while building a dam. They are flooding circuits to find who I am. Make a list, write it down. Sometimes we need it all, sometimes resign to a world where the center is never aligned. Make a move, take it back, it's mine.
Okay, so if has bumped equals false, it'll set this to that and say has bumped equal true. Otherwise, and it sets moving is equal to true, that's when we'll set has bumped equal false. This is a nice way to do it, just another if statement. Close enough. But yeah, we have music, we have sound, and we have interactions. It's perfect. It's perfect for what we're doing. Perfect for what we need. I'll probably need other sound effects later soon, so I'll probably grab those sometime and later. But yeah, I'd say now is a nice time to end stream, so I'll do that. I kind of cut myself off there earlier, but yeah, that's fine. I'll be going now. Potentially short stream tomorrow, but if not, you won't see me again till next week, next Saturday. So yeah, bye guys. Have a good life. Have a good have a good one. Cheers, folks.
From the open shore I will